Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Silverado headlights. First, park your truck on a flat surface, approximately 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is accurate and the fuel tank is at least half full for consistent vehicle weight. You will need to locate the adjustment screws, typically found on the back of the headlight assembly, and have a Phillips head screwdriver or a Torx bit ready. Now, turn on your low beam headlights. Stand in front of the vehicle and mark the exact center of each headlight beam on the wall with tape or a marker. Next, measure the distance from the ground to the center of each headlight on your truck. Transfer these measurements to the wall, drawing horizontal lines that represent the correct height for your beams. For vertical adjustment, locate the appropriate screw, often the one positioned at the top of the headlight assembly. Turning it clockwise will raise the beam, while turning it counterclockwise will lower it. Adjust each headlight individually until the top edge of the brightest part of the beam aligns with or is slightly below the horizontal line you marked on the wall. This ensures proper road illumination without blinding oncoming drivers. Next, address the horizontal adjustment. This screw, usually located on the inner side of the headlight, moves the beam left or right. Adjust each headlight so the brightest part of the beam is centered on the vertical line you drew. Once both headlights are adjusted, take your Silverado for a short test drive on a dark road to confirm the beams are properly aimed and provide optimal visibility without causing glare.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.